Alright, this is a single box 2013 America's Pastime Baseball Hit Draft. Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, we're blaming Pac-Man. If there's not like 6 101s in here at least, it's Pac-Man's fault. He picked the box. Alright, good luck everybody. The book is going to be Front Row Fabrics. Saw that from the side. Good luck. First up, 125 of 125. Rookie Keith Butler. 125 of 125. Well, we're drafting, so I'll go back through all these, of course. Wow, is a jersey card going to go pretty early? I think so. We're 25 of 125. Future Fabrics. Yasiel Puig. 25 of 125. Four of 25 rookie. That's cool. Cool. Very baseball themed. 4 of 25. Nice little baseball themed shape there. 4 of 25 Tom Kohler. 60 of 125 Pastime Signatures on card Chris Medlin. 60 of 125. Number 14 of 15, Impact Inc., Brandon McCarthy. 14 of 15, Impact Inc. Rookie autograph, 46 of, oh my god, 46 of 125, Bruce Rondon for Detroit. 46 of 125, rookie auto. What's up, Card Shark? What's going on, man? We have a Front Row Fabrics book, numbered 3 of 5, that we'll be looking at shortly. Alright, then we got our base and inserts. Chris Sale, 31 of 125. 4 of 10, Kirby Puckett. Nice little Kirby. Somebody will get that on the wraparound in the draft. 4 of 10, Kirby. And lastly, dang, nice. Jackie Robinson, Invincible to 25. Pretty nice little base cards here. Base cards and inserts. Alright, and then our book going to be numbered 3 of 5. Prime is going to be sick, I think. Good luck. Good luck. Oh, that's so nasty. Look at that. Oh, man. Albert Pujols and Ken Griffey Jr. Jeez. Look at that. I'm so glad it's going to fall to the second pick for me. Yeah, Albert Pujols and Ken Griffey Jr. Numbered 3 of 5. Front row Fabrics. Pujols and Griffey. Alright guys, thanks again. We'll get to our picks here shortly.